Welcome to InjectFlow TV. Today, we'll discuss the complete process of how software comes to life, from a simple idea all the way to a fully deployed and maintained system. Think of software development as a well-orchestrated journey. It's not just about writing code, it's about following a systematic approach that ensures quality, efficiency, and success at every step. Let's walk through this timeline together. We have 6 major phases: planning, design, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Each phase flows naturally into the next, creating a smooth pathway from concept to reality. Phase 1: Planning and requirements. Every great piece of software starts with a spark of inspiration. But turning that light bulb moment into something concrete, that's where planning comes in. During this crucial first phase, we're doing several key activities. We gather requirements from stakeholders and users, we define the scope of what we're building, and just as importantly, what we're not building. We estimate timelines realistically, and we plan our resource allocation. This phase transforms vague ideas into clear, documented requirements that everyone can understand and agree upon. Phase 2: System design. Now that we know what we're building, it's time to figure out how we're going to build it. This is where system design takes center stage. We start by creating the system architecture. Here we can see how different components work together. The database stores our information, the API and backend handle business logic and data processing, and the front end provides the user interface. During design, we also create database schemas, write API specifications, and develop UI and UX mockups. Think of this phase as creating the blueprint before we start construction. Phase 3: Implementation and coding. This is where the magic happens. Implementation is where our designs come to life through code. As you can see here, developers write the actual code that makes everything work. Each line is carefully crafted to implement the features we designed in the previous phase. Notice how we're also using version control throughout this process. Every change is tracked. Every commit tells a story of progress. This isn't just individual work, it's collaborative creation where multiple developers can work together safely and efficiently. Phase 4: Testing and quality assurance. Just because the code compiles doesn't mean it's ready for users. Testing is our safety net, our quality guarantee. Here we see the testing pyramid. At the base, we have lots of unit tests. These test individual pieces of functionality in isolation. In the middle, integration tests make sure different parts work well together. And at the top, end-to-end tests simulate real user interactions. Our test results show us exactly where we stand. 245 unit tests passing, 67 integration tests green, 23 end-to-end tests successful. Even those 3 flaky tests give us valuable information about potential issues. Phase 5: Deployment and release. Now comes the exciting moment: deployment. This is where our software meets the real world. We follow a CI/CD pipeline. That's continuous integration and continuous deployment. Our code moves through different environments: first development, then staging for final validation, and finally production, where real users can access it. The process includes building and packaging our application, running all our tests one more time, deploying to staging for final checks, and then, the big moment, deploying to production. Each step is automated and monitored to ensure everything goes smoothly. Phase 6: Maintenance and updates. But deployment isn't the end of our journey. In many ways, it's just the beginning. Maintenance is an ongoing, continuous process. Look at the cycle of activities surrounding our live system. We monitor performance and user behavior. We fix bugs as they're discovered. We release updates and improvements. We optimize performance and strengthen security, and we add new features based on user feedback. This isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous cycle that keeps our software healthy, secure, and valuable to users. And there you have it, the complete software development lifecycle. From planning to design, from coding to testing, from deployment to ongoing maintenance. Each phase builds upon the previous one, creating a systematic approach to software creation. The key takeaways? First, it's a systematic approach that reduces risk and increases success. Second, quality is built into every phase, not just added at the end. Third, it supports continuous improvement and iteration. And finally, it requires collaboration across all stages. Remember, great software isn't just about great code. It's about following a proven process that ensures we build the right thing, build it well, and keep it working for years to come. The software development lifecycle is your roadmap to success. Follow it, adapt it to your needs, but most importantly, use it to create software that truly makes a difference.